Welcome to Historic Coin, the ultimate destination for coin lovers, history enthusiasts, and curious minds who love to explore the stories hidden in tiny metal pieces. In today's video, we are diving deep into a fascinating coin from Turkey. The 25 Kuruş coin, minted in the year 2021. But let me ask you a question first. Have you ever held a coin in your hand and wondered about the culture, politics, and hidden meanings behind its symbols and design? This isn't just money, it's a passport to history. What you're about to see is not just a coin, it's a powerful story from modern-day Turkey wrapped in art, tradition, and pride. So stay with me till the end, because by the time you finish watching, you'll never look at coins the same way again. Get ready for a journey through time, design, and Turkish legacy. Right here on Historic Coin. General overview. The coin in focus today is a 25 Kuruş coin from the Republic of Turkey, issued in the year 2021. The word Kuruş is a subunit of the Turkish lira. 100 Kuruş make 1 lira, just like 100 cents make a dollar. This specific coin is made from nickel-plated steel, giving it a shiny and silvery appearance that not only looks elegant, but also lasts longer in circulation. The diameter of this coin is approximately 20.5 millimeters, and it weighs around 4 grams. Although it's a modern coin, its design is deeply influenced by Ottoman aesthetics and Turkish national pride. From the inscriptions to the artwork, everything has meaning. And we'll uncover it all, one detail at a time. Obverse side description. Let's begin with the obverse side of the coin, the side that features the large numeral 25 in the center. This is the denomination of the coin, representing 25 Kuruş. Just below this, in bold capital letters, we see the word Kuruş, written in the Turkish alphabet. At the bottom of the coin, inside an ornamental frame, you'll notice the year 2021, which tells us when this coin was minted. The design is beautifully decorated with intricate patterns on both sides of the coin, inspired by traditional Turkish motifs. These symmetrical, ribbon-like patterns aren't just for show. They represent Turkey's cultural heritage, a mix of art and mathematics passed down from Ottoman and Seljuk traditions. Symbolism and art. Details above the number 25. We see one of the most significant symbols of Turkish identity. The crescent moon and the 5-pointed star, enclosed within an ornate frame. This crescent and star have been used in Turkish flags for centuries and represent both Islamic heritage and national pride. The ornament around it resembles traditional Turkish and Islamic calligraphy styles, often seen in mosques and historical palaces. These details show how even a modern-day coin keeps alive the centuries-old identity of the Turkish people. It's not just about currency, it's about continuity, about remembering where the nation comes from. Reverse side description. Now let's flip the coin and look at the reverse side. This is where things get even more symbolic. At the center there is a finely detailed portrait of Mustafa Kemal Atatürk, the founder of the Republic of Turkey, and one of the most iconic leaders in modern history. He's facing left, which is the standard orientation used on Turkish coins. Around the portrait we see the inscription Türkiye Cumhuriyeti, which translates to Republic of Turkey. The font used is strong and formal, representing authority, statehood, and national dignity. Every Turkish coin bears Atatürk's image, a reminder of the country's modern rebirth under his leadership. Mustafa Kemal. Atatürk's importance. Mustafa Kemal Atatürk is not just a face on a coin. He is the soul of modern Turkey. After the fall of the Ottoman Empire following World War I, Atatürk led the Turkish War of Independence and established a secular democratic republic in 1923. His reforms transformed the country. Education, law, language, dress code. Everything was modernized. His legacy is so deeply ingrained in Turkish society that his image is not only on coins, but also on every banknote, statue, and public office. Having his portrait on this coin symbolizes respect, national unity, and the spirit of progress that he instilled. Material and durability. The 25 Kuruş coin is made from nickel-plated steel, a material chosen for its durability and cost efficiency. Nickel not only resists corrosion, but also gives the coin a sleek, shiny finish. This allows the intricate design and fine lines, especially Atatürk's facial features and the ornamental motifs, to stand out clearly. Unlike older coins that would wear out or tarnish quickly, this one maintains its aesthetic even after being used for years. This choice of metal also makes the coin more secure, reducing the chances of counterfeiting and ensuring consistency in quality. Design evolution. Over the years, the design of Turkish coins has changed multiple times, reflecting political shifts, cultural revival, and modernization. The 25 Kuruş coin of 2021 belongs to a newer generation of Turkish currency that was redesigned after the currency reform in 2005, when 6 zeros were removed from the old lira. The newer coins, including this one, are designed not only for functionality, but also to reflect the elegance and pride of the Turkish Republic. The artwork has become more detailed, the fonts sharper, and the symbols more pronounced. This evolution showcases how Turkey combines heritage with progress. Circulation and usage. Although 25 Kuruş might not seem like a large denomination, it plays a very practical role in daily Turkish life. It's commonly used for small transactions, like buying tea, bread, or short bus rides. It is one of the few denominations that still makes exact change possible, making it vital for day-to-day commerce. Even vending machines and ticket counters are programmed to accept this coin. Despite the growing use of credit cards and digital payments, coins like the 25 Kuruş continue to be an essential part of Turkish monetary circulation, especially in smaller towns and traditional marketplaces. Collectability and numismatic value. For coin collectors, also known as numismatists, the 25 Kuruş coin from 2021 holds a special place. It may not be rare, but its detailed design, clear minting, and symbolic value make it a great addition to any collection. Some collectors focus on coins featuring Atatürk, while others collect coins by year or design variation. In mint condition, this coin can be a collectible item in years to come, especially as designs continue to evolve. It's an affordable but meaningful piece that tells a powerful story, making it perfect for both beginner and experienced collectors. Hidden details and observations. If you look closely, you might spot a small circular dot near Atatürk's neck. This is likely a mint mark or design element used by the Turkish state mint. Such marks are not just identifiers, they're quality stamps that show official production. Also pay attention to the symmetry on both sides. The decorative curls and loops are perfectly balanced, symbolizing harmony and tradition. Coins like these are designed not just with mathematical precision, but also with artistic inspiration, making them tiny masterpieces that millions of people use without realizing their depth. Cultural and emotional connection. For many Turkish citizens, this coin is more than just pocket change. It connects them to their history, their values, and their daily life. Children use it to buy snacks, adults hand it over at stores, and elders see it as a reminder of their nation's transformation. Every scratch on the coin tells a story of being in a pocket, a cash register, or exchanged in a busy Istanbul bazaar. It passes from hand to hand, silently witnessing everyday Turkish life. That's the real magic of coins. They live with us, travel with us, and carry memories without saying a word. Conclusion and call to action. So the next time you come across a 25 Kuruş coin, take a moment to appreciate the art, history, and legacy it carries. It's not just metal, it's memory. This simple piece of currency holds decades of identity and pride, from the Ottoman roots to the modern Turkish Republic. If you found this video fascinating, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Historic Coin. Tell me in the comments, what coin would you like me to cover next? Maybe from your own country, or a rare one you've seen. Join me on this historical journey because every coin has a story, and here at Historic Coin, we're here to tell it.